Yep.
Assembly of modular bookcases. When you get to the customer's property, unpack all the items and get ready to assemble. You'll get a schematic drawing with the item, and in this case you can see it's a double unit and a single unit, with the single unit on the right hand side as you look at it. As always, start with the plinth. The plinth has the flat part with the screws showing going against the wall. Place the plinth in the position that the customer would like the furniture assembled. Place it on the floor. The trick is to get it level. As you can see with this one, it's not entirely level. Use the shims that have been provided to level up the plinth by hiding them under the corners, like so, which then gives you a firm base to build on. Then take the base units and place them in the order as shown in the schematic drawing. Place the base units onto the plinth. Make sure they're forward in the plinth up against the front edge. As so. Next, you'll be provided in the pack with some dowels. Make sure that the silver end, not the black end, is placed into the cam holes located on the top of the unit. Silver end in first. Place all the cams in position. Like so. And then the top units are going to fit onto these cams. Take the double top unit and locate it on the cams. Tricky, there we go. And it drops onto the cams. Then place the next top unit on top of the cams again. Like so. So the unit is now partially assembled. The next stage is to put the top on, and then we will lock all the cams, and I'll show you how to do that. Top unit on. There we go. Place the cams into the top unit, exactly as you did with the base units. And once all the cams are in place, it's then a matter of putting the top on. We've got some for the stand. Make sure that the slot goes to the back of the unit, which accepts the backs. As you see, the top drops straight on. The final part of assembly is to lock the cams. So wherever you put a cam in, you'll see a small square cross. Literally put a screwdriver in, turn it clockwise to the right, and it will lock. Do this to every single cam in the top. Working your way along the unit. Like so, that's the top locked on. You will remember that you put cams in between the top and the bottom units. To access these, remove the drawers and exactly the same principle applies. You will see the crosses, place the screwdriver in, turn them to the clockwise direction. Remove the drawer on the single unit, do exactly the same thing again. Locking all the cams into position with a simple clockwise turn and replace the drawers. That's the unit assembled. The only thing left to do is to put the corresponding shelves in. As you know, you simply put in the brass spoons in the appropriate holes on either side. Take the shelf, put it in an angle and sit it on the brass spoons. The customer will often tell you where she wants the shelves, but if not, will probably fit them themselves because it's very simple to do. And that's how you assemble a modular bookcase.